Hello, I'm Austin Jarrett from ALLETT Mowers, and today I want to talk to you about this, lithium-ion batteries and how it's affecting the garden machinery industry. If you're thinking about battery power from 10 and 20 years ago, where batteries just lose their rechargeability after a short period, you need to think again. This 40 volt, 4 amp hour battery has tons of energy in it, and the lithium-ion battery market has changed a lot. We're talking with this battery here, in normal conditions, 1,800 discharges before it loses just 15% of the charge that you could give it when it was brand new, which is quite amazing. This is our Liberty 30 product. This Liberty product range is all driven by this battery. After 4 seasons, this has become our most popular product segment. When we speak to our customers, we've asked them why they're loving battery power in their garden machinery. So let's look at those reasons. The first reason the customers love battery powered equipment is that it's just so easy to use. For example, there is no pull cord for the engine. There is no cord leading to the house via an extension lead. And once the battery's in, then I'm just pushing the button and pulling this lever and the power is engaged. Battery powered products as well are generally much lighter than a petrol engine version. So this 12-inch mower is really quite lightweight. And what does that give in terms of advantages? If I need to put this into the car, if I need to take it up steps, or even put it into storage, it just makes it all so much easier. But of course, just using the product over the lawn, the lighter the machine is, the easier it becomes. The second reason that our customers are telling us that they're choosing to go battery powered in their garden machinery is, of course, the environment. By choosing battery electric and powering our products by electricity, of course, we're transferring the environmental concern over to our governments and how they choose to generate our electricity. So that's a great thing if we're not burning fossil fuels in our gardens. But of course, there is also the local pollution side of things, not creating smoke in the garden. A lot of the battery garden machinery equipment is actually replacing 2-stroke engines where you add oil into the fuel. They create a lot of smoke, they're difficult to start, and they're extremely noisy. And that is a really good environmental reason to be using battery electric. So the next biggest reason is about noise levels. Battery power garden equipment is undoubtedly much quieter. What does that mean? I don't have to worry about when I choose to mow my lawn and whether I'm disturbing my neighbour's Sunday barbecue. I might be a mother who gets the opportunity to mow the lawn after the kids have gone to bed. Or I might be a shift worker and I just have unsocial hours when I can actually hit and mow my lawn. So that is a really big factor too. The next reason is actually about reduced costs. The cost of lithium-ion battery technology now is reducing very quickly. And in fact, in the ALLETT company, we've worked really hard at driving the costs of these products down so that a battery electric equivalent to a petrol is lower cost. The running cost of these products is less. To charge this 4 amp hour battery in the UK costs about 5 pence, about 7 cents. And that compares with, in our tests with rotary mowers, at about a factor of 10 for rotary mowing fuel costs. The batteries are the most expensive component of these products, and the other thing that we've done at ALLETT is work with an existing manufacturer of batteries called Greenworks, and we can take that battery and put it into a whole range of other products to help spread the cost of that battery. So here are some fine examples of new garden machinery that is available to drive with the Greenworks 40 volt battery. And normally these would have had 2-stroke engines in them, and with the use of battery power, this now makes these machines, like blowers that are traditionally very noisy, actually much quieter. So I have battery, I have a long reach hedge cutter, chainsaw and strimmer. and I find all of these machines really easy to use. I just take the battery in and out of these products and switch them with the Liberty 43 that I use at home. So a product like this, which is driven by battery and electric motors, the servicing costs are just so much lower. It becomes an electrical appliance as opposed to an engine-driven product where, if we're honest, the frustration of starting a petrol engine at the beginning of the season, the changing of the oil, the keeping the fuel clean so that you don't have starting and running issues, air filters that need to be cleaned. Of course, all of those service elements just disappear with an electrical system like this. So with those reduced costs and that reduced hassle, the electric system offers some very serious advantages.